Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix this version of YouTube is out of date problem on Android. So let's start the video. So friends, to fix this problem, first open the Play Store on your device. On the Play Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now tap Updates available under the Overview. Here you need to update your YouTube application. So scroll down and find the YouTube and click on Update to update it. So you can see that the YouTube application is now updating. So guys, after updating the app, now go back to the home screen, open YouTube and see if the problem is resolved or not. Method 2. Clear YouTube storage and cache. To clear YouTube storage and cache, first open up the settings application on your Android. On the settings application, find apps and notification and tap on it. Now tap on see all apps. Here you need to find YouTube and tap on it. Under the YouTube info page, tap on storage and cache. Here first clear the cache and then the storage. After doing this, now go back to the YouTube application and see if the problem is resolved or not.